how to update your graphic card's driver without installing any third party or the official app. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can update the graphic card's display adapters using only the Windows. So in order to start, the first thing that we're going to do is go to this particular setting called Device Manager. To do this, go to the search bar and simply search for Device Manager. Now, within the device manager, you can simply make it full screen, and from here you can see we have different types of adapters listed right here. So we've got the display adapters, the monitor adapters, the security devices, processor, and all of the other types of adapters. Now, in order to find the graphics driver, you can see that we have this option that says display adapters. So simply expand this and you will see both of your graphic cards drivers. So since my laptop has two graphic drivers, the first one is the Radeon, which are the integrated graphics, and whereas I have the dedicated graphics card, which is the RTX 3050. So let's say you want to update the integrated graphics. So in order to update these drivers, you can simply right click onto this, and from here you will have this option that says update driver. So simply click onto update driver, and from here you can easily search for automatic driver updates, but currently in my case they are already installed, so it is showing this. Also, if you have downloaded a more updated or some other version from the web, you can install them using this particular option. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.